Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford vehicle. It could be any Ford with a gasoline or diesel engine, guys. And if you need to test MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor, that's the one usually that's located on the intake. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It will take you less than a minute or two and you will not need to take anything apart. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So now, guys, for any Ford vehicle practically year 1996 and up, they'll have an OBD port that you will be able to connect a scanner. That scanner here is super affordable, it's not expensive. I always keep one in my glove box. They're so cheap that I have them in every car, but this thing specifically has quite a few functions. It's very affordable, can tell you quite a bit. If you break down on the road, let's say you have engine light on, you can actually go ahead and scan it and see what's wrong. If you can get to a parts store, fix your car yourself. So I'll go ahead, turn the ignition switch on without starting the car. The lights will be on, the car is not started. We'll just select here OBD port. Okay, that's what we're doing now, OBD scanning. It will communicate with the car. It will take just a little bit of time now. Here it will tell us if we have any codes, engine light on. It will tell you the numbers, how many codes you have. If we want to erase the previously stored data, we will do that. Here we're going to select the engine module, and under engine module you can see you have onboard testing, live data, multiple things. Freeze data is when if you have a code that triggers the engine light, it will tell you what RPMs and all the different parameters of the vehicle, so you know when it happened. We're going to click live data. It's going to load. It will just take a little bit of time to communicate with all the different sensors that are on your Ford engine, guys, and it will be able to establish communication. We'll be able to monitor those, start the vehicle, and test different things that way as well. So we can easily find out, okay, what's wrong with your vehicle. It's not very complicated at all. So we'll just give it a few seconds. It will communicate. We'll click view data, units of measure. You can select, guys. Okay, you can select English or metric. We'll go back. We'll select complete data set. And now that will be the time to start your car. So I'll start it. If you have a Ford hybrid, make sure you click the EV to go to EV later. Plug in, you can see, and have it in park. Emergency brake on, give it gas. So the hybrid engine can start. If it's a regular car, just start it, guys. Here we are going to go in order to test the MAP sensor, manifold absolute pressure sensor. Okay, if you go to the next page, that's the MAP in PSI. That's the pressure, guys, of the MAP sensor. I'll click OK, and those are the RPMs. RPMs turn off. That's the MAP sensor now at 14.2 PSI. Okay, that's the RPMs. If I rev the engine up, if I start the engine, rev it up, every time I rev it up, the MAP PSI will go down because the engine will create vacuum. When I do not rev the engine, I let off the gas, the number should start climbing. So now let me show you now. That's the MAP sensor. Okay, I'm holding now steady RPMs. Okay, now I'll give it gas. It climbs. Then I let off the gas, drops. Give it gas. It will climb, guys. Okay, let off the gas, it drops. So I'll do it in pulsation now. So you can see it's responsive. When it's bad, most of the times it will not change at all. It will be just stuck at one number and it may not work at all as well. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to test MAP sensor. Thank you for watching and see you next time.